Back to another exciting video of Master Math with Ade. So in this video, we're still going to be looking at how to find the equation of a line, but using a different method than the gradient intercept method. So let's get into today's video. Master Math with Ade. So when we're using this other method for finding the equation of a line, we have to have at least one set of coordinates and its gradient. So this looks familiar from the gradient video. This video here, you can check it right out. So we have this line AP. Now, if we're to find the gradient of this line, we say the gradient will be the vertical rise over the horizontal distance, or change in y over change in x. So when we're finding that, we have to say m is equal to, I'll write it over here, m is going to be equal to y minus y1 over x minus x1. So that is the gradient of this line. So that is what we had. Now, to use the equation for finding to find the equation of a line, we're going to now make the y part the subject of the formula. So this is just going to be y minus y1 is equal to m times that. So we can just say m x minus x1. So this is the equation we use to find the equation of a line when we have only one point, one set of coordinates, and its gradient of that specific line. So let's have an example so we can know how this works. So let's say we have, we say what is the equation of the line through the coordinates 3, -1, which has a gradient of 2 over 3. So they ask us to find the equation of this line, which has a gradient of 2 over 3, or 2/3. So we're going to use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So now, we're going to start substituting. So this y, we're just going to leave it as y. y1 is going to be the value from this set of coordinates, which is -1. So we're going to say -1 is equal to m is the gradient. So we're going to say 2 over 3. We're also going to leave this x alone, and then we're going to say minus our x1 is 3. So now, after this, we're going to say y minus -1 is obviously y plus 1. And then we're going to say 2 over 3 times x minus 3. So that's going to be 2x over 3 minus, these two will cancel, which will give us 2. So we have this. Now when we're making the equation, y is supposed to be the subject. So I stated that in the previous video on the gradient intercept method. So now we're going to say y is equal to, so we'll say 2x over 3 minus 2, and this plus 1 will become minus 1. And then we're going to have y is equal to 2x over 3 minus 3. Now we have our equation as y is equal to 2x minus 3. Sorry, we're going to have y is equal to 2x over 3 minus 3 as our equation. Or we can put this in the form. We can do this. We can say so this is 3 over 1, right? So now we're going to find the common denominator of these two, which is 3. So this 3, we're going to put it on the y over there. So it's going to be 3y is equal to 2x. And then since here the denominator is 1, we're going to say 3 times 3, which is going to be 9, -9. So it's going to be 3y is equal to 2x minus 9. Because why we have done this, if we divide this by 3 all the way out, it will still go back to the first statement. So that's how you find the equation of the line using this method, which only works with a set up as at least one set of coordinates and the gradient of that specific line. Let's have another quick example. We have 2, 3, and it lies on a line with the gradient of 1. So we're going to say y minus y1 m x minus x1, and then we're going to say y minus our y1 is 3, m1, x1 2, y minus 3 is equal to x minus 2. Our equation is going to be y is equal to x minus, this will go that side, so it will be negative 2 minus 3, which will give us plus 1. Therefore, our equation will be y is equal to x plus 1. So if you are liking this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share this video with others. And I would love to see some comments in the comment section. So I will see you in the next video. Hoping you guys master math with adding.